In Bangalore, the role of government land surveyor is crucial for accurate land valuation, dispute resolution, and infrastructure development. SCON Design India PVT LTD is one such private firm that provides government land surveying services in Bangalore. They have a team of experienced and licensed surveyors who use the latest technologies and equipment to provide accurate and reliable land surveying services. The data collected by these surveyors is used by the government for urban planning, taxation purposes, and property registration. SCON Design India PVT Ltd is a reputable firm that has been providing government land surveying services in Bangalore for many years. SCON Design India PVT Ltd's team of experts is equipped with the latest software and equipment to provide accurate measurements and data. In conclusion, the role of a government land surveyor in Bangalore is critical for ensuring accurate land valuation, infrastructure development, and dispute resolution. SCON Design India PVT Ltd is a reliable private firm that provides excellent government land surveying services in Bangalore. Their team of licensed surveyors is well equipped with advanced tools and techniques to deliver accurate and reliable results. As the booming city of Bangalore continues to expand, the need for accurate land surveys becomes increasingly important. That's where SCON Design India PVT Ltd comes in. As a leading provider of land surveying services in Bangalore, SCON Design India PVT Ltd has a team of experienced government land surveyors who are trained to provide precise measurements and data regarding land boundaries, contours, and other crucial information. This includes conducting surveys to establish property boundaries, mapping out topographical features, and providing detailed reports on the characteristics of the land. SCON Design India PVT Ltd's team of government land surveyors have the expertise and experience to carry out these tasks with precision and accuracy. SCON Design India PVT Ltd's government land surveyors use the latest technology and equipment to ensure that their surveys are carried out efficiently and accurately. This includes using GPS devices, drones, and other advanced tools to provide clients with detailed reports on their land. With SCON Design India PVT Ltd's expertise and experience, clients can rest assured that their land surveys will be carried out with the utmost care and professionalism. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable government land surveyor in Bangalore, look no further than SCON Design India PVT Ltd. With their team of experienced professionals, advanced equipment, and commitment to accuracy, they are the perfect choice for all your land surveying needs. When it comes to finding the best land surveyor in Bangalore, SCON Design India PVT Ltd is a highly reputable company that stands out from the rest. The key reasons why SCON Design India PVT Ltd is considered as the best land surveyor in Bangalore is their commitment to excellence. They offer a wide range of land surveying services, including boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, and more. SCON Design India PVT Ltd also prides themselves on their customer-centric approach. In conclusion, if you are looking for the best land surveyor in Bangalore, SCON Design India PVT Ltd is a name you can trust. When it